What's happening, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to play our watch list. All right, it's very simple. So I'm just going to get right into it. So today is July 27, 2023. We are still live in action. But I'm just going to go right down the line here. We had SPY, Tesla, Meta, NVDA, Google, SOFI, and QQQ. And I'm going to show you how each one played out. So SPY calls, we had calls over 459.50 and puts below 455. That play was void. We did not, at least for now, we did not break any of those levels. So Tesla calls above 270, puts below 263.50. So as you can see, we did break 263.50 here. The candle closed below, entry here, and a little bit of put money here so far. Simple as that, guys. 5-minute chart. Just wait for that candle to close. Enter there. Meta, we had calls above 330.50. We didn't even get close. That play is void. We let it go. NVDA, we had calls above, what was it? NVIDIA calls above 466.25, puts below 453. So 466.25, we didn't even get close to the puts. So we had our entry here on this candle and made some money off calls. If you had a trailing stop, maybe you stopped out, maybe you took profits. That's kind of up to you at that point. We came back down under the trigger level, but we did trigger again here. Entry here, and you probably stopped out. Maybe stopped out, maybe you didn't, maybe kept going. Either way, you should have re-entered on this candle here because you got a 5-minute break here. So you are either stayed in the play or you're back in the play here for this big win on NVIDIA. Google, we had calls over 132, puts under 129.50. And there was a little typo on Google. I apologize. Something's going on with the 3 on my phone. Maybe I need to clean the screen. But entry should have been here on this. Well, we broke on this candle. Entry here. You had about 20% gains there. Came back. Even if you missed this one, you should have got on it. You should have got in on the retest here. Entry here, another 20% or so. And as you can see, it's holding this 132 level at least till about an hour or so ago. You had about 30%, 40% gains on this little run for Google. SOFI puts or calls over 975, puts under 950. As you can see, we just dumped it pre-market. We didn't enter pre-market. We entered at this, not this candle because we didn't close. We entered on this candle that closed, or excuse me, we closed on this candle. Entry would then be this candle, if you're following. See, this one did not close under, so we wouldn't enter. This one did close, so we would enter, if not a little early on this one. We entered on this candle to ride these puts to big money so far today on SOFI. QQQ was our last play of the day. I actually alerted this one in the chat for about 42% gains on this one. We entered on this candle and we sold. If you sold at the top, or I told you to put a trailing stop at minimum 25% gains. And then you had a little gibberish here. I told you guys to be careful today, so hopefully you're careful with some of this gibberish over here. So it's simple as that, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be in the chat. Thanks, guys. Like, subscribe.